Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed or we have started with the exercise that was 9.3. Okay, and the exercise is related to the money chapter. Okay, and we have started with the multiplication and the division of money. Okay, we have done the simple multiplication and division of the certain amounts of money with the number. Along with that, we have done some of the statement sums as well. So in today's, okay, and we have completed up to sum number 6 from the exercise 9.3. Today we will start with the next sum, that is sum number 7. Okay, so this is the next sum that I'm going to start in today's session. The sum number is 7. Okay, so let's begin with it. Sum number 7, it is given here. Nidhi bought 2 powder bags, each costing rupees 238. Sorry, Nidhi bought 2 powder bags, okay, each costing 238 rupees and 90 paise, and one dress for rupees 578 rupees and 50 paise, and 3 lipsticks, each costing rupees 180 rupees and 25 paise. She had only 1000 rupees with her. How much more money did she need to pay the bill? Okay, so as in this topic we are talking about the different items that is being purchased by a girl whose name is Nidhi. Okay, so she has purchased some different items and the cost and some with different quantity and the different cost. Okay, so Nidhi has bought 2 powder packs. Okay, and the cost of one powder pack is given here, that is 238 rupees and 90 paise. So this is the cost of one pack. ये एक ही cost दी है, okay? But she had bought 2 powder packs. So that means we have to find the cost of 2 by multiplying the cost of one powder pack with 2. Second thing that she had bought, that's a dress. So one dress she had bought and the cost of one dress is given. So that is 578 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. So the third item that she bought is, that's 3 lipsticks. So third item that is being bought by her, that is lipstick. So the cost of lipstick is, okay, she had bought 3 lipsticks and the cost of one lipstick is given here, that is 180 rupees and 25 paise. Now this is the different items with the different quantity and the different costs that she had bought. Okay, she had only 1000 rupees with her. Okay, now she is having only, though she had bought all these different items, but she is having only 1000 rupees with her. How much more money did she need to pay the bill? So as she is having only 1000 rupees with her, so she needs some more money to pay her bill, and we have to calculate that how much more money did she need to pay the bill. Okay, so let's write. First of all, we will find out the total cost of all the items that she needs to pay. Okay, and after subtracting the amount she is having, we will find out the amount she needs more to pay her complete bill. Okay, so let's find out the cost of all the items that she had purchased. So the first thing that she purchased was a powder pack. So the cost of one powder pack is given. The question number is 7. Okay, so the cost of one powder pack is given. Cost of one powder pack. Cost of one powder pack is given, that is rupees 238 rupees and 90 paise. That is 238 rupees and 90 paise. So this is the cost of the powder packs that she had purchased. This is the cost of only one, but she has purchased 2 powder packs. ये एक ही कॉस्ट दी हुई है बेटा, बट उसने खरीदी कितनी है? 2. So we need to find the cost of 2 powder packs. Okay, the cost of powder packs that we need to find out. Cost of 2 powder packs that we need to find out. So for this we will multiply 238 rupees and 90 paise with 2. Okay, so 1 की दी है, 2 की निकालने के लिए we will multiply the amount with 2. Okay, so let's do the multiplication. 238 rupees and 90 paise multiplied with 2. Okay, 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 18, 8, 1 will be carried here. 2 8s are 16 plus 1, that is 17, 7, 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, that is 7. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so now, okay, so after decimal in the question we have 2 digits, so we will put the decimal here. So this is the cost of 2 powder packs, that is 477 rupees and 90 paise. This is the cost of 2 powder packs that is bought by her, that is 477 rupees and 80 paise. 477 rupees and 80 paise. So this is the cost of 2 powder packs. Chaliye, moving next. Next she had bought a dress. So one dress for rupees 578 rupees and 50 paise. So the cost of the dress is given. Cost of a dress that she bought is, okay, तो उसने एक ही ड्रेस की कॉस्ट दी है बेटा एंड एक ही ड्रेस उसने खरीदी है, दैट इज 578 रुपीज एंड 50 पैसे. दैट इज 578 rupees and 50 paise. So this is the cost of the dress that she had bought. The second thing that she had bought. So the third item that she has purchased, that's a lipstick. So she has purchased 3 lipsticks and the cost of one lipstick is given, that is 180 rupees and 25 paise. So the cost of one lipstick is given. The cost of one lipstick is, the cost of one lipstick is given, that is 180 rupees and 25 paise. But this is the cost of one, but she has purchased 3. So we have to find the cost of 3 lipsticks. Cost of 3 lipsticks. Okay, so cost of 3 lipsticks we need to find out. That is, for this we will multiply the amount, that is 180 rupees and 25 paise with 3 for finding the cost of 3 lipsticks. Okay, so let's multiply 180 rupees and 25 paise with 3. Okay, so let's multiply. 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that is 7, 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 8, 3 8s are 24, 4, 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, that is 5. So here we will put the dot. So the amount that she needs to pay for the lipstick is 540 rupees and 75 paise. So this is the total cost of 3 lipsticks that she had bought. That is rupees, that is 540 rupees and 75 paise. That is the cost of the 3 lipstick that she needs to purchase, that is 540 rupees and 75 paise. Clear? Chaliye, moving next. Now these 3 items she has purchased. Okay, so she had bought 2 powder packs. The cost is 477 rupees and 80 paise. Next item she purchased was a dress and the cost is 578 rupees and 50 paise. And the third item she purchased was 3 lipsticks. Okay, and the cost of the 3 lipstick is 540 rupees and 75 paise. Now let's calculate the total amount or the total cost of all the three items. Okay, so let's find out the cost of all the three items. Total cost of all items. Okay, so total cost of all items we need to find out. Okay, so let's, for this we will add all these three, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we will find out the cost of all the three items that is being purchased by her. Okay, so let's add rupees 477 rupees and 80 paise plus second, that is 578 rupees and 50 paise. This is the cost of the dress that she has purchased. The third item is through lipstick. The cost is 540 rupees and 75 paise. 540 rupees and 75 paise. So this is the cost of the third item. Okay, so इसकी जगह हम चाहे तो इसको यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं rupees 477 rupees and 80 paise plus 578 rupees and 50 paise, and the third item was cost rupees 540 rupees and 75 paise. Now let's calculate the amount of all the items that she had purchased. Okay, so now I am adding it here. So let's add them all. Okay, so this is the different. Okay, so let's add it. 0 plus 0 plus 5, that is 5. Okay, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 0 dot 2 will be carried forward. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 7, 1. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9. 1 will be carried here. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. That is 1597 rupees and 5 paise. So this is the cost of the items that she has purchased. Okay, so this is the total cost of the items that she has purchased, that is rupees 1597. Okay, so the cost of all items is equal to rupees 1597 rupees and 5 paise. So this is the cost of all the items that is being purchased by Nidhi. 1597.05, that is 1597 rupees and 5 paise. चलिए, so this is the cost. Now she is having, okay, देखिए cost कितनी देनी है उसको, तीनों आइटम जो उसने खरीदी है, that is 1597 rupees and 5 paise. But she is having only 1000 rupees with her. Okay, she is having only 1000 rupees with her. So how much more money she needs? Okay. So we now we move to the next part. Okay, still the sum is in continuation. Okay, sum of continuation में है बेटा. Okay. Okay, money she had. Okay, the next we will find the money she had. इसके पास पैसे कितने हैं? that is rupees 1000. Okay, money she needs. Money she needs more. और उसको कितने पैसे चाहिए? that we need to calculate. So total cost जो उसको पड़ी है, from that we will subtract the money she's had. That this is, and then we can calculate the amount she needs more to pay her bill. So for this we will subtract 1500 the cost of 1597 rupees and 5 paisa, okay, minus rupees 1000 that she is having. Okay, so we will subtract it. So let's subtract it. Okay, 5 minus 0, 5, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 0, 7, 9 minus 0, 9, 5 minus 0, 5, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So she is having 597 rupees and 5 paise with her. Okay, so she is having 597 rupees and 5 paise with her. So she needs 597 rupees and 5 paisa more. Okay, therefore, this is solution. Therefore, Nidhi needs rupees. Nidhi needs 597 rupees and 5 paisa more to pay her bill. To pay her bill. Okay. So this is the answer from the question. This with this we have completed the solution of question number 7 from the exercise 9.3. Okay, so sorry, I forgot to write the exercise. That is exercise 9.3. Okay. Okay, so now with this we have completed the sum as well. So quite lengthy sum like 5 and 7. Okay, but the sum is quite lengthy, but it is the easy one. Chaliye, next, moving to the question number 8. Okay, so I am just erasing the question number 7 now and moving to the question number 8 from the same exercise 9.3. The question number is 8. So let's see what is given in question number 8. देखिए, Kajol bought 2 sarees each costing rupees 357 rupees and 90 paise. Okay, later she sold them to the Neha each for rupees 410 rupees and 80 paise. How much did she earn? Okay, so there's a girl whose name is Kajol. देखिए ये question थोड़ा सा अलग है. Okay. So Kajal, she had bought 2 sarees. So Kajal had bought 2 sarees from somewhere and the cost she paid for each saree is 357 rupees and 90 paise. So this is the cost that is being paid by Kajal. Then later on she sold both the sarees to another girl whose name is Neha for 410 rupees and 80 paisa each. Okay, so that means उसने खरीदी एक साड़ी 357 rupees and 90 पैसे में थी and बेची 410 rupees and 80 पैसे में. So that means she has purchased for less and sold it for more. So that means the selling price is greater than cost price. So that means she had earned some profit. तो उसने कुछ पैसे हैं जो profit as earn किए. Now we have to calculate that how much money did she earn by selling the same sari to the another girl Neha at more cost. Okay, चलिए लिखिए cost of one sari, cost price, you can see cost price of one sari. Cost price means कितने में उसने खरीदी. Cost का मतलब होता है कितने में खरीदी. Selling means कितने में बेची. So the cost price of one saree is 357 rupees and 90 paise. 357 rupees and 90 paise. So this is the cost of the saree. One saree, but she had bought 2. So cost price of 2 sarees we have to calculate. Cost price of 2 sarees. This will we have to calculate. For this we will multiply rupees 357 rupees and 90 paise with 2. Okay. So So let's calculate the cost of the two sarees. That's 357 rupees 90 paise multiplied by 2. Okay, multiply it with 2. Okay, chaliye. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 18, 2 sevens are 14 plus 1, 15, 1, 2 fives are 10 plus 1, 11, okay, 2 threes are 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay, and let's put a point dot here, the decimal here. So the cost of two sarees that, okay, so the Kajal bought two sarees for rupees 715 rupees and 80 paise. So the cost of two sarees is 715 rupees and 80 paise. So this is the cost of two sarees that she paid. Okay, next is the selling price. Okay, next now she has sold the same sari to another girl, okay, at the different price. So let's first find out the cost of the selling price on which she had sold that sari. Okay, so selling price of sari, selling price of one sari. Selling price of one sari is 410 rupees and 80 paise. That is 410 rupees and 80 paise. Whereas the second sari that, okay, so we have to calculate, so because this is the cost of one sari. Okay, so now we will calculate the cost of both, selling price of both the saris. तो दोनों साड़ी उसने कितने में बेची? So selling price of two sari. Selling price of two sari we need to find out. Selling price of two sari is rupees 410 rupees and 80 paise will be multiplied by 2 for calculating the selling price of two sari. So let's multiply 410 rupees and 80 paise with 2. Okay, 2 zeros are 0, 2 eights are 16, 1, 2 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Just put a dot here. That is, so the selling price of the two sarees is 821 rupees and 60 paise. That is 821 rupees and 60 paise. So this is the selling price of the sari that she had sold to Neha. Okay, now this is the cost price जिसने so 715 rupees 80 paise. इसमें उसने वो साड़ीज खरीदी थी दोनों, and ये 821 rupees 60 paise. This is the cost on which she had sold the sari to another girl. Now देखिए उसने खरीदी कम में थी, बेची ज़्यादा में. So that means she has earned some money, she has earned some profit. So and the question is given how much money she earned. How much did she earn? So money she earns, that we will calculate. Money, she means Kajol. Money Kajol earn. Okay, money Kajol earn. That we will calculate by subtracting 8, that cost that on which she has sold the sari, okay, minus the cost on which she has purchased, that is 715 rupees and 80 paise. Okay, so the answer we get that will be the amount that she has earned. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0, 6, okay, so it will be 0 and it will become 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 0 minus 5 not possible, so it will be 1, so that will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. Okay, so she has earned, or the Kajol has earned 105 rupees and 80 paise. Okay, so this is the money earned by her. Okay, So in the solution sentence we will mention, therefore Kajol earns rupees 105 rupees and 80 paise. So this is what we will write. So therefore Kajol earns 105 rupees and 80 paise. So this is the solution sentence that you need to write at the end of the question. Okay. So this is the cost that she needs to, that she has earned by selling the, okay. Okay, so now moving next. Okay, so देखिए बेटा in class 4 you are not having the profit or the loss topic, but in the next class you will get the topic like this, and this you will get these kinds of questions generally. चलिए, now moving to the 9th question. The 9th question is, Kareem bought 5 kg cauliflower at the ₹18 rupees 50 paise per kg, 10 kg potatoes for 9 rupees 25 paisa per kg from the wholesale market. He sold cauliflower at rupees 21 rupees 90 paisa per kg and potatoes at 12 rupees 10 paisa per kg at his shop. How much did he earn? तो देखिए जैसे अभी हमने ये क्वेश्चन किया, सो जस्ट लाइक दैट इन दिस ओनली वन आइटम वॉज देयर कि उसने एक साड़ी खरीदी और वही साड़ी, सॉरी 2 साड़ीज खरीदी एंड 2 साड़ीज बेच दी. इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, ओके, ही हैज द शॉपकीपर हैड बॉट 5 kg cauliflower and 10 kg potatoes, एंड उसने फिर वही 5 kg cauliflower and 10 kg potatoes अलग कॉस्ट पे बेच दिए. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मच मनी डिड ही अर्न. Okay, so just try to do it yourself. It's a quite lengthy sum also. So we will, this question just like this is just, that was just like question number 8. Okay, so question number 9 is just like question number 8. So just try to do it yourself, then you will be able to do that easily, I hope. Okay, otherwise if you will be having any issue, then I'll discuss in the class, online session, live session. Chaliye, now question number 9 is your homework, and now we will move to question number 10. Okay, so the question number 10 is, Preeti bought 8 dresses for rupees 896 rupees and 80 paise. So Preeti ने 8 dresses खरीदी जिसकी कॉस्ट उसको पड़ी 896 rupees and 80 पैसे. How much did one dress cost her? तो एक ड्रेस की कॉस्ट कितनी हुई? तो देखिए 8 ड्रेसेस की कॉस्ट दी हुई है, 1 की निकालनी है. सो दैट मीन्स ज़्यादा की दी है, कम की निकालनी है. For that what we do the division. So the cost of 8 dresses are given and we have to find the cost of 9 dresses. So sorry, 1 dress. So let's calculate the cost of the dress. Okay, so first of all we will write, that is already given, the information that is given, that is cost of dress. Okay, the question number is 10. Question number is 10. Cost of 8 dresses is given. The cost of 8 dresses is given. That is 896 rupees and 80 paise. That is 896 rupees and 80 paise. So this is the cost of 8 dresses, and we have to find the cost of 1 dress. एक ड्रेस की कॉस्ट निकालनी है. फॉर दिस व्हाट वी डू, वी विल डिवाइड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 8 ड्रेसेस, दैट इज 896 rupees and 80 paise with 8. Okay, so we can find the cost of 1 dress. So let's do the division. 896 dot decimal 80. Okay, so just do the simple division that we do always do. So 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8, nothing will be left. Bring down 9. 8 ones are 8. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down another one, that is 6. 8 twos are 16. 16 minus 16, nothing will be left. Bring down the 8. Again, 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8, nothing will be left. So 0 bacha, so that we will carry here. Okay. So now let's put the decimal. So in the question we are having the 2 digits after the decimal. So after leaving the 2 digits at the back, we will put the decimal here. So this is the cost of one dress, that is 112 rupees and 10 paise. So this is the cost of one dress that is bought by Preeti. Okay. So at last we will write a solution. Therefore, cost of one dress is 112 rupees and 10 paise. 112 rupees and 10 paise. The decimal is here. 110 rupees and 12 paise. 10 paise. This is the cost of the dress. Okay. Chaliye. So with this we have completed the question number 10 as well. Okay. So, and do question number 9 by yourself, class. Okay. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.